How to add receipt to Target app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To add a receipt to your Target app, since there is no any direct way, check out the following step. You can be a Target Circle member, in which you can automatically track based on your linked payment method. You can even get the chance to review your purchase history in the Target Circle. Now, if you have linked a card, you can review your credit or debit card statement for detailed transaction information, including your Target purchases. If you have enabled notifications such as for email or SMS receipt, you can even refer to them for the purchase details of your Target as well. So those are some of the ways you can easily add or get receipt to your Target app. If you have any of the queries regarding Target Circle or this procedure, you can even go ahead and check out the Target Help Center. And that sums up the tutorial as well. Hopefully you found it informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.